The Miami Boat Show started 75 years ago at Dinner Key, then eventually moved to Miami Beach. Now, decades later, the boat show is back in the city of Miami at the site of the Miami Marine Stadium. Those of us who grew up in Miami might remember coming to concerts here. It was best known as a venue for high-speed boat races. But since Hurricane Andrew, the stadium and adjacent parking areas had been in a state of disrepair, until the city set out to create a flex park in this large open space on Virginia Key.
The flex park is in the master plan, and the flex park is something that we had to do with or without the boat show. But it was a good thing for the boat show because the boat show needed precisely that amount of space.
Right now, the area is covered with tents, 600,000 square feet of tent space to display boats in a variety of shapes and sizes, on land and in the water. But before any of this could go up, $23 million were spent on infrastructure. 2 new electrical buildings were constructed. Water and sewer lines were put in. Standpipes for fire protection were placed throughout the site.
We have been working on this site day and night, and literally day and night, for just about 8 months. Our scope of work was basically to redesign that site, to design a new drainage system, to design new pavements.
The return of the Miami Boat Show could be just the beginning.
They're paying a very hefty rent to the city, which in turn will be used for the renovation of the Miami Marine Stadium. I like to say that this year, 2016, we are going to see the start of the process to renovate the Miami Marine Stadium.